My name is Manolo Bossi. I'm an industrial designer. I came from Italy. My parents were artisans, and this is the first thing I love to say, because since when I was a child, I go to the workshop and I learned many things about do things and creativity, but most of all the connection with the objects and the materials.
My name is Mina. I'm a senior designer here at King. I think it's important that we're a design-driven organization and that we have a established design team and design process, so that going forward it makes sure that we're able to embrace new technologies and embrace new processes. So investing in that now I think is really important so that the company can continue to grow in the long run.
I think it's a different task I have here. One of them is the mentorship also with the design team inside. And it's quite interesting because for my work, I think sharing information is really a very important point.
He comes to this business with more experience than any of us, and probably more than all of us combined together. And so, every day he's telling us about the way that he's designed products in the past and the things that he's learned that are applicable to what we're doing now. And then at the same time, I think he has a good idea of where design is going and where it's headed and what are the new technologies that none of us have encountered yet, and his experience is in informing our understanding of that.
I try to explain about my experience, how I solve a problem inside production or engineering things, or also creative parts, because also creative parts is very important. So I put my experience, try to get inspiration also to people. Yeah. I think nowadays is a very interesting point about the technology. There's a transition about all these ancient skills that are becoming doing by the technology. So, but the machine nowadays becomes very helpful for people. Innovating is something that is is on the thought. I think it's really important to understand which kind of product you want to realize, which are the value of your products, the quality of your products. This idea to producing furniture in a way that other companies don't do that, using very strong material like the metal frame. I try to explain also how you can use and push the limits of material or not, something like that. It's important. Make experimentation with materials, it's very important. It's really useful.
Investing in our future as a design team and as a company, and understanding what it takes to be able to be adaptable in the future is really important. The design team can often drive that by proposing different technologies to embrace, different materials to embrace. We're working on projects where we're using a material that we've never used before, or engaging with a manufacturing process with a new supplier that we've never done before. And that's where there's room for innovation in furniture, is pushing the boundary of what people are expecting, what a customer expects in a product, and presenting them as something that they've never seen before, that they've never encountered before.